And one more thing, I did this goofy thing where, you know, these styrofoam plates or these styrofoam bowls. I had some extra concrete, so I cut a little piece of 1 inch to the size between here and here, which is about 2¼ inches, I guess, and put it in the center. And the extra concrete, I made lighter weights so that I could adjust the weights if I have a long enough bar. Then these are what I would use to adjust the weight to exactly what I wanted it to be. This weighs about 2 pounds already, and that's with the extra concrete that I had sitting around. All I did with that is use a small bag, and these are probably reusable. You just have to peel it off like that. And so that's a really inexpensive form you can use to get about a 2 pound weight. Okay, and again, just pop that through.